Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to copy SSH keys to another machine. On your local machine, your keys are in the SSH directory. If you don't have a key pair, generate one by running the following command. Now, run the following command to automatically copy your public key to the remote machine. Test login by running the following command. You should log in without entering a password. First, display your public key. Next, log into the remote machine using a password. Create the SSH directory and authorized keys file. Append your public key to the authorized keys file. After that, test the login again.